Hello everyone. Let's see how to use Qviple if you are a subject teacher. So firstly, from your college website, come to login page and log in with using your registered mobile number or email ID via OTP authentication. After login, you will be redirected to the dashboard section, which will look like something like this. Afterwards, the first thing you have to do is click on upper right corner here, profile, news and more, and update your profile. In updating your profile, the important thing is to link your department with your profile. Afterwards, if you are a class teacher, navigate to your class teacher section. From here, you will have option to rearrange your class catalog, in which you can rearrange your class catalog by alphabetical order, gender order, or like manually reshuffling order as well. And you just have to click on save. Afterwards, the catalog will be shuffled as per the new order, and the roll number will be reshuffled as per your order as well after you refresh the page. If you want to add some student which are not available in your class, you can do the same as well from here. If you want to remove some student from your class, you can remove the student from here as well. Now move on to the subject teacher designation which we are looking. But firstly, if you have allotted your designations, you can update your timetable for that particular semester from this section. And you will have to update for like weekly. For updating, select your designation or the subject or the lecture name you have to update. Then the lecture time from and to, and you can just click on update and the lecture time will be updated. This helps in order to make or mark the attendance, so you don't have to update the time every time you are going to mark the attendance. Now let's move on to the subject teacher designation. So here you will have option to catalog. So you will able to see how many student or which student are in your catalog. Then you will have option for attendance. Then you will have option for assignment, academics and teachings. Here will be your teaching plan. Then COPO mapping, MCQ, internal evaluation and continuous assessment. So let's start with academics and teachings. Firstly, you have to add your teaching plan for that particular subject or maybe practical. So in that one, you have go to the teaching plan and firstly update the teaching plan setting. In that, the allotted lectures are compulsory, all the other things are mandatory, all the other things are optional, and you can update at your discretion. Then second one, either you can update the teaching plan via Excel sheet as well. You also have given download a sample. You can download a sample and fill your teaching plan and upload the same from here, or you can just manually create new chapter and can add a new topic or subtopic in that particular chapter by adding this name, selecting that last date or the planning date of your topic. Then the COPO which is register, if we have a learning outcome is available, then learning outcome and how much time that particular topic would take. Afterwards, the teaching plan will be updated. You can then move on to the taking the attendance part. For attendance, go to the date for which you have to mark that attendance. Then select the time. If you have already saved your timetable, then the time for that particular date or day will automatically refresh and will be shown to you. If the time is not updated, then you have will have this blank field and you have to update the time manually. So I have updated the timetable, so I will get this time automatically. I can just click on take attendance. Then afterwards, this below part for present and absent will be activated, and I can mark the attendance as per the absentee or presentee. So I will just click on one student as absent, so all my other students will be present. If I'm just marking my one student as absent, I will just have to click on save attendance. After save attendance, you will get asked that which topic have you covered in that particular lecture. So either if you have teaching plan available or already added, then you will get to see the teaching plan and the topic that are available for you to record. Just like I'm clicking on this, and you have option to mark it as an ongoing or maybe you have completed one topic and second topic has been started, you can do that as well. Or if you haven't updated your teaching plan, you can just add a new chapter from here and add a subtopic in your already created chapter and mark them as ongoing or completed. Now I have marked two lectures as one as a complete and one as a ongoing. Then I will just click on next. Then I will have option to select a teaching method for each particularly section. I'm updating that, and after updating that particular teaching method, I also have option to provide any additional link for student or even any additional information regarding the lecture for students to refer, or I can add any attachment file, Excel file, PDF, anything that I have regarding that particular topic. Then I just have to click save button, it will be saved. Then you will be redirected to assignment section. If you have created any assignment or if you have any assignment particular to that topic, then you can give the same as well from this topic. Currently I'm skipping this section, and you can see afterwards you will able to see that the presentee or the attendance has been updated on the platform, and you can just go to the next day or the next lecture. If you want to export the attendance sheet, you have export attendance option. Then in export attendance, you can export it as monthly, semester wise, or you can give the system date for the period which you have to download that attendance. You can also download the attendance in detail for that particular semester as well. And while downloading the attendance, you have option to download not only the complete attendance report, you can also download the defaulters list as well. For defaulter list, you have to enter the defaulter criteria, like just enter the percentage like 75 or 80 or maybe 60. The system will take all the students below that particular criteria as in the defaulter list. You will have also have option to download that particular list in Excel file or PDF file. Let me just click on PDF and export one file for you. And afterwards you will able to see the records of the attendance, and you can take a printout of the same and keep it in your register as well. Then moving on to the next section, which is academics and teaching. As you have seen that when we mark the attendance, we have the system asked us which topic we have covered, and after if you have updated that topic, it will be redirected in this section. If you are not or haven't updated the topic while marking the attendance, you can record the same from this tab as well. You just have to select for which date you are updating the teaching method or you are updating the academics. So I'm selecting 19, and afterwards you will have option to select the topic for like that day which topic you have covered, and the same process will be followed, and you can save the academics for that part as well. After that academics have been updated, you have option to export the academic report as well. You will be able to export the academic report from this section. You will have all the topic or the units of your subject, then the topic, their schedule date, execution date, the CO map to the particular topic if you have mapped, and the teaching method for the same. Afterwards, you also have MCQ option if you want to take the MCQ based questions. We will see that in another video. You also have an internal evaluation tab and a continuous evaluation tab for your practicals or tutorials reps. So we will see this tab in another video in more details. Apart from this, if you have any other queries, you have support option where you will be able to ask your support just like you're chatting with someone with over WhatsApp. You can just drop screenshot of the screen where you are getting a problem, or maybe record your voice explaining your problem. The support team will respond to your queries accordingly. So this is all for today, guys. If you have any other queries, just let us know in the support. Bye bye, have a great day.